Let's learn to spell look. L O O K. L O O K. Look. Let's learn to spell make. M A K E. M A K E. Make. Oh, hooray! Me. M E. M E. Me. My. M Y. M Y. My. Good job. Let's make a sentence. This dog is big. This dog is big. Woohoo! This dog is big. This dog is big. Good job. Her eyes are blue. Her eyes are blue. Well done. Good job. Her eyes are blue. I can run. I can, well done, run. I can run. I can run. Good job. Pick a sticker. Pop the correct bubble. Give me some time. Me. Good job. Give me some time. This is my bag. My. Well done. This is my bag. Hooray! He is not sad. Not. Good job. He is not sad. I have one toy. One. Well done. I have one toy. Good job. Oh my God. I want to play. Play. Good job. I want to play. I like red roses. Red. Well done. I like red roses. I can run fast. Run. Good job. I can run fast. She said no. Said, well done. She said no.